Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that shook the corporate world to its core. Imagine a company that's a household name, a brand synonymous with quality and innovation for over a century. We're talking about Toshiba, the Japanese titan that brought us everything from the first automatic rice cookers to pioneering laptop computers and flash memory. For generations, Toshiba was more than just a company. It was a symbol of Japan's technological prowess and unwavering integrity. But what happens when that symbol begins to crack? What happens when a legacy built on trust is threatened by a secret festering from within? In 2015, the world watched in disbelief as a massive accounting scandal revealing that Toshiba had been systematically inflating its profits for nearly 7 years. This wasn't just a minor error or a simple miscalculation. This was a deliberate, complex deception that went all the way to the top. The total amount was staggering: over $1.2 billion in overstated profits. The fallout was immediate and catastrophic. Toshiba's stock price plummeted. Its CEO and top executives resigned in disgrace. And the company faced colossal fines and a crisis of identity. So, how did this happen? How could a respected giant of industry, a company with a reputation for meticulous management, fall so spectacularly? The story of Toshiba's scandal is a compelling drama of ambition, pressure, and a corporate culture that prioritized profits above all else. It all starts with a concept deeply embedded in Japanese corporate life: the pursuit of impossibly high targets set by leadership. Executives would issue challenges to their subordinates, demanding they meet aggressive profit goals, no matter what. Failure was not an option. This immense pressure created a toxic environment where division managers felt they had no choice but to cook the books. They used a variety of accounting tricks. One common method was the percentage of completion method for long-term projects. By overestimating the progress of projects, they could book future revenue in the present, creating a false image of financial health. They also delayed booking losses and pushed costs into future quarters. It was a sophisticated shell game, moving numbers around to meet the impossible demands from above. This wasn't the work of one rogue employee. It was a systemic practice, a culture of deception that became normalized across multiple divisions over many years. The first cracks appeared when an employee at one of Toshiba's subsidiaries blew the whistle to Japan's financial regulators. This triggered an internal investigation, which the company initially tried to downplay. They appointed an independent committee, but many observers were skeptical. As the investigation deepened, the true scale of the fraud was uncovered, revealing a conspiracy that had been active since at least 2008, right after the global financial crisis. The pressure to recover from the economic downturn had pushed the company's already aggressive culture into overdrive. The scandal's impact was devastating. Beyond the financial losses, the damage to Toshiba's reputation was immeasurable. It eroded public trust not only in Toshiba, but also in the broader Japanese corporate governance system. The event triggered a national conversation about corporate ethics and the need for greater transparency and oversight. In the aftermath, Toshiba was forced to undertake a painful and radical restructuring. It sold off some of its most prized assets, including its medical equipment division and, most famously, its iconic memory chip business, which was once the jewel in its crown. The company scrambled to implement reforms, overhauling its board of directors and bringing in more outside oversight to prevent a repeat of the disaster. But the road to recovery has been long and fraught with challenges. The scandal left Toshiba a shadow of its former self, a cautionary tale for corporations worldwide. It serves as a stark reminder that a strong reputation built over a century can be shattered in an instant when ethics are compromised. It shows that a culture of fear and unrealistic expectations can lead even the most respected companies down a path of self-destruction. The Toshiba scandal is more than just a financial story. It's a human story about the consequences of unchecked ambition and the pressure to succeed at any cost. It raises critical questions. How do we build corporate cultures that value integrity as much as profit? And what systems can we put in place to ensure that the truth always comes to light? The lessons from Toshiba's fall from grace are more relevant today than ever. Thanks for watching. And if you found this story insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the stories that shape our world. See you next time.